This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cutlery, specifically these Basic Nature CPLA cutlery. So these are great plastic option if you're looking for something that's more environmentally friendly. It's commercially compostable and biodegradable. This CPLA plastic is actually cornstarch based, making it a fantastic option, both for hot and cold foods, as it can take heat up to 180 degrees. And we have a couple of options here. In this 6.5-inch length, we have our white fork, knife, and spoon, and you can see it's a nice sturdy plastic too. It also comes wrapped as a set with napkins. And then there's some other options as well. We have a black set, and we have some of the black pieces individually wrapped. So depending on what your needs are, there's a lot of options. There's also a great smaller 5-inch mini spoon that's fantastic for tastings and mini desserts. So these are great for a variety of different setups, and they've got a variety of size options between the unwrapped, wrapped, and the individual units that are going to be perfect for cafes, delis, fast casual restaurants where maybe your utensils, condiments, and other things like napkins are self-service. Especially these individual packaged and set items are going to be a great option so that customers know they're getting new, untouched utensils and napkins, right? And they're all clean and ready to go. So any kind of self-service station for catered events like buffets, or even just putting out at place settings, there's a lot of variety here, both color, packaged, unpackaged sets, and individuals that make them a fantastic option if you're looking for something that's an environmentally friendly disposable option.